Okay, look guys, I'm making a build video, and today I'm gonna play build a boat, and I want to show you the boat. So here, gonna wait. Okay, I'm here. So you can see, I actually now have the scale tool. There's nothing new, only about the scale tool, which I made this. What was it? Plane 2. I'm just gonna delete that. I don't need that. That's only for the reason why I use that is just for to see through here. And tops. Here. Actually just see through here what I'm looking at. Yeah, see? Here. Circle. I go into myself. So it looks like. So you can see music background because I make music. So for my video, so I could show you how to build this. Let's start with all you need is just the pot. You need the painting tool, you need the property tool, and you need the scaling tool that's all you need to make this. So first, what you want to do is you want to first. I'm not going to duplicate this. Do the flooring. At first on the flooring, so you can change it. So like this. I'm gonna show you example. Boom. When I set this, merging level just this to 1. Moving, just put it to 1. You can move it to anything. This. You want to set this one to 15 because 45 doesn't do anything. Here. Wait. Boom. Done that. Do that for the sim side. Down that. Do it. You want to put it to 0. And you can connect it to the. Yeah. Oh my god. No. I don't want it go like that. You want it go here. Put that there. Go here. Do that up. Push that up to there. Down here. That is going to here. And you don't have to do that. You can do it as any long you want. You can do it like 10 blocks. You can do it middle like 3 blocks. Then you can do it like I've done. See, I done this. I used some blocks. Then these blocks I use that look so normal and good is the block. I used the obsidian, I used the coal, I used the ice one to move stuff around. Do this. The reason why I didn't use this one that has boost is because that when you want to do it, it just it's not so good. That. Then you wanna inside it, like it's going in. This could be used for a jet, a turbine, or anything that you want. Here, so then you wanna inside that, go to inside, do that to make it clean. I've never done this for some reason. It's weird. Now you have a perfect circle going into each side. Now that's just a test. So here I'm gonna save. Wanna save. That's just for my tests. You can see you're on the complete doing it. And do it to the same size. If you have two of all these tools and just the tool, this one you could copy and paste it along the sides. Doing this, it'll be good for you. Or I just need, if I get Roblox, I could literally just get these both. This one for doing that. It's because these ones are not the same. You can see the difference. There's a huge difference. So let's test this out. Don't mind that one. Let's test it out. Exit. It's clean. Yep, it's clean. Baby, it's now going up. You can see that's how it's going. I'm not even going past through a stage. Yeah. Can't really see the full right. Am I falling? Wait. I fell. Was it? It's not even. It's gone. Left me. You can see if you see that in the distance, that's it. So I'll say goodbye guys and I'll see you later. Wait, just 88 minutes. I gotta do more. So into that. So I decided to put some effort into it. If I don't put effort, what's the point of making this without any effort? No, look. This one looks like sandy. This no, look. This one looks like a sandy beach. This one looks like a sandy beach with no sides, no clean. You can see, no clean. All you can do, and this you can't even see anything. It can't even fly. Wait. What do you think? It can't fly. It's invisible. It's visible like the portal. It can't fly, but the only problem is how it moves. Even the plane, there's a huge thing. You can see when I try to do it, it still moves forward. And if I choose my plane, that's just a plane 1. Plane 2, if I use plane 1, this is plane 2, and this is plane 1. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use that. You can see there's new update. You can go through the top ladder. You can go through the top. It's literally too small. And this I need to read like a few minutes. You can see here, that's the front. That's how it looks like. It's so cool. I was so surprised with making this. It looks so cool. Paint all around it. The deck is painted. The outside depths are here. So let's make it. There we go. The tool. Let's try. Look. Oh, lift off. I can go back. Going down. Boom. Ah! Resetting. Reset. Oh, you can see it's still going. Oh, helicopter. And then, if you look at the other one, that is cleaner, but it doesn't have a great. It kind of have a great view, not like the other one. This one does not have. This one does not have. No, not that one. This one doesn't have a good view. The rocket is so bad. What this does, this is this. I couldn't add any more thing to it. It's just because what I need is this one. All I need is this. All I need is this cake. What I just need is this tool, and I want to get it. That's all I need. Then I'm done. I can do it. The only thing I need is this one. I don't know what this one's for. This one, not to delete the blocks. It's literally the main thing you don't want to do. Oh, it worked. So goodbye guys, good video, and goodbye. Here is the story. Bye.